Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wagwan my people, Dancehall skilla there here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright. Manners and respect, you see? Alright, now my people. After a female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson had been reported missing to the police within the country of Jamaica on the 13th of July the year 2022, citizens within the country of Jamaica protested for days within St. Andrew, Jamaica about the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. I also got the understanding that these protests happened at different locations within St. Andrew, Jamaica after the female had been reported missing to the police within the country of Jamaica. I also got information that a well-known person on social media who goes by the name of L.A. Lewis was at least one of these protests that happened within St. Andrew, Jamaica. And I also got information that a person who goes by the first name of Andre on social media was at the same protest that the person who goes by the name of L.A. Lewis was at. And I also got the understanding that there are some misleading information and allegations circulating on social media about the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. I want to say this to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers that you should be careful of certain type of information that you get on social media, because some of these information and allegations might not be accurate and might overall not be the truth. Yes, what me answer my people. But for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present a video to you that shows some things that happened at one of these protests that happened within St. Andrew, Jamaica about the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. Now, please bear in mind that this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a certain amount of persons gathered together, and you can hear someone talking in the video while persons are listening to that person. You can also hear other persons talking in the video as well to viewers and subscribers, alright? And based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, I would like you to tell me what you think, alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Information I want to understand what I said. A lot of misinformation is in social. We're in a social media time. Not can hide, but a lot of things when you go can go up. And I want to appreciate that there are a lot of misinformation is spread relative to this.
But if you need to tell you
there's some things here that has helped the police also, but there are a lot of misinformation. And some of it is deliberate to show up.
but for nobody can nobody talking to us, nobody talking.
Listen to me dear, that's why I want you to appreciate what I say. That's why I'm talking to you now. The police is not obligated to talk to the general public because the police can't just come and attend the general public every step because the people that never want to know how far them are. When you want to talk, because we can't
Why did you do that?
appreciate what me say to you. I only can hold me responsible. That the investigation is far
Did you hear what he said, my people? Did you hear what he said? Based on some things that the person said, and in my point of view, it seems as if the person might have a good understanding about the investigation about the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. See? But let's see what happened. And let's see how this whole thing turned out, my people. Y'all know, see? Yes, so my people, a lot of persons from within the country of Jamaica stage protests about the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. See? And during protests that I know about, quite a number of persons chant certain words. They might not be the exact same words each time a protest had been held. Is it? Alright, here I'm going to present another video to you that shows some things that happened at a protest that had been staged by citizens within the country of Jamaica about the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. In this video, you can hear quite a number of persons either singing or chanting certain words. Look, listen, and observe again, my people. Alright? Listen. Yeah? Did you hear the words that those persons said? Did you hear those words that those persons was either singing or chanting? Eh? Now tell them, people. Yeah, man, the people them want justice. Yeah, those persons want justice for the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. You understand, my people? Yeah. Now, yes, when it comes on to an audio that a lot of persons are talking about on social media that depicts some form of phone conversation between two persons and pictures that are circulating on social media about the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson, I question those pictures and the audio. I also wonder if there are any other audios out there about this whole situation. You understand, my people? See, the reason why I question those pictures and the audio that I heard is because I realize that some credible news sources within the country of Jamaica at no point did not mention that audio nor those pictures that are circulating on social media about the missing female who goes by the name of Donna Donaldson. So, what do you think about those things that I just said, my people? See? I realize that some credible news sources within the country of Jamaica at no point did not mention or even put any form of news articles out there about the audio that depicts a phone conversation between two persons and pictures that are circulating on social media with allegations about Donna Donaldson. You understand me? And I don't want to specifically identify certain things when it comes on to those pictures and the audio that I heard. You understand? Because I don't want to give no wrong information to people. But for those who know what audio that I'm talking about and the pictures that I'm talking about, you can let me know what you think, my people. See? Yeah, man. Because me just try to point out to each and every one that you should be careful of misleading information. Yeah, so you can listen, you can observe, but always think. Alright, anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show at least 3 persons working together in order to steal cable wires. Now, I do not know exactly where and when the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. And one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. The video shows one person on a utility pole that is located somewhere out there in the world, and the person who was on the utility pole was using a tool to cut cable wires. Now, based on some things that I saw in the video, and in my point of view, I think that the whole situation is dangerous, and no one at no point should be doing something like that unless you have legal authority to do so. And based on some more things that I saw in the video, and in my point of view again, it seems as if whenever a motor vehicle was approaching, or if someone was approaching, then the person who was on the utility pole would climb down the utility pole, and then all those persons who was working together in order to steal cable wires would hide or try their best to make sure that no one realized what they were doing. However, those persons had been caught on camera working together in order to steal cable wires. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to look at this video and tell me what you think. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. That dangerous, huh? highly, highly dangerous right there, so. Tell you. See what I go on this one? Notice the person climbing from out the utility pole, right? See that? See that? Anyways, my people, so I got unconfirmed information as to where the video will be recorded. Yes, I got unconfirmed information as to where the video had been recorded. See? But if you, my viewers and subscribers, ask me, then I will tell you the unconfirmed information that I got in the comment section of this video. I don't want to mention it in this video, viewers and subscribers, because the information are unconfirmed information. You understand? You know, so sometimes I wonder if some people don't realize it's easier and more comfortable if you have a honest job than to steal or do criminal activities for money. It's easier, you know? It's 10 times easier to find a honest way of making money than a dishonest way to make money, because dishonest way come with a lot of worries. Prison can even worse. See? I wonder if anyone called the police when those persons was working together to steal cable wires. You see me, I say, yeah, I wonder if the person who was video recording called the police within that country where the incident happened. Yeah, man, I wonder all kind of different things, my people. May I tell you the truth. But Jano, I don't think it really and truly surprising to some of you, my viewers and subscribers, because this is not the first video with a situation that is somewhat similar like this out there on social media. No, I see quite a number of videos with situations where persons have been caught on camera stealing cable wires. You see me, I say, my people. So in my point of view, this video had been added to the collection of videos that show persons stealing cable wires and are real, my people. So I say, it just really and truly sad, and it just set away. I tell you the truth. I say it over and over. I say it time after time again. I see it, I rather beg than thief. I rather beg. Yeah, the only thing you can say is move on where you beg too much. Yeah, but me rather beg than thief. Remember me tell a man that I have time for them the stupidest day. Anyways, my people, let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you about in this video. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and stay safe, walk good. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?